Welcome back. In today's video, we will find why WordPress is not running after folder name change. In localhost web server, for some reason we may change the WordPress folder name when it was already working fine. But after changing the WordPress folder name, we find that web page and admin page is not opening. It is unable to connect with the database. Only solutions of debugging with wp-config file also do not work. Actual fault and solution lies with the URL path, which changes when the folder name is changed. As you can see here in this example, while working in localhost server, I have changed the folder name. Now coming to the browser, here's the dashboard and the URL which was working, and here's the URL which you can see. Now I will refresh the page. Now you can see not found. The requested URL was not found on this server. This is because the URL name address is associated with the folder name, which was renamed as you have just seen. Therefore URL name address will also be different now. Now changing the URL associated with new folder name, we can see the changes now. Website opened but did not work properly. And also the admin panel does not work properly, therefore it is difficult to log in. For overcoming this problem, we have to go to the database and make some little changes there. After selecting the database associated with WordPress folder, we will select WP users table. Click on edit and change the old URL to the new URL, and then press go. Then find and click on WP options, and again click edit for site URL and also for home URL, as you can see here. Clicking on edit and changing old URL to new URL, then click on go. Similarly, editing another table and changing the home URL. Then after coming out, we can see both the URLs have changed. That's all. Now coming back to the browser, you can see refreshing page with new URL. We see that website is visible and working. Now coming to dashboard and changing the URL with new URL. Again we will log in. Now it's possible to log in now. After login, it is recommended to set the permalink URL structure in case there is website navigation error. You can keep any URL structure which you like, then save changes. Now website is functioning properly. Hope you found this video helpful. Then do like, share and subscribe.